so I was surprised by a tree today. So Eric got a tree, and so I'm making a thing. I'm making a garland, and I'm making it out of. So when we were in London for 4 months, and this is junk mail. It's terrible. It's junk mail. I mean, this is why the world is dying. I mean, it's partly why, and I'm not kidding. Like, I have this huge junk mail box, and it's really depressing. So we have this little tree. Maybe that's why the world is dying too. I don't know. I can only handle one world is dying problem at a time. So anyway, we got this tree, and I was like, I'm going to use the junk mail to make a garland. And so here's what I did. I just went through the junk mail, and I found the red and green and yellow pages. I mean, some of them don't have that much. But I cut out, strips. Like, I just cut out strips of red and green and yellow or gold. And I'm just making little, I'm just making this. I'm making this, and it's like free, and it's fun, and I have some tape, and I have the clear tape. I have to say, like, the gift wrap tape, the clear stuff, I recommend it because, the other tape looks janky. I think we all know that, if we're really being honest. I put 1 string of clear lights. I like clear lights on a Christmas tree. But these lights, these are gonna go up in the window. I used to be very anti-colored lights, but I get it. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing. I'm like, and it looks really nice, don't you think? I mean, I think it's really sweet. Now I'm gonna sort of arrange this better, but like, it looks good. Oh, and look at the star. You know what I did there? I'll show you. Oh, here's a candy cane. Okay, so I took this flat rate box, which I don't know why it was here, but guess what? It was sacrificed because what I did is I used these markers, and I just like colored a gold star twice, and I cut it out of this, and I stapled it together, but I left the bottom open so that I could put it on the top. Because we don't have decorations. We only have ingenuity and creativity. Look at that. Get a shot of that star. Isn't that nice? So that's pretty much it. And then Eric got these lovely little puppies at Walgreens. So we're gonna, that's it, it's Christmas. Oh, and last thing, we had a vase. We don't have a Christmas tree stand or we don't have anything for a tree because we're pagans. No, just kidding. But I have a vase, a really nice crystal vase. So we put it in that with bubble wrap to hold it steady. There you go. That's my Christmas hack. Thank you. Merry Christmas.